What's up, guys? I'm Lowkxy. Welcome back to my channel. And what do I have for you today? Well, I've got another unboxing. Now, this is my third unboxing on this channel. As you can tell, I get a lot of fan mail, so let's get right into it. Here's a box of everything that we have gotten this week or this haul from fans. Not just me spending money, of course. So let's get right into it over what each piece is and what I'm pretty excited for. Alright, I think we just dump it on the table, don't you say? Ready for this iDub style, the money shot? Ooh, look at all that gear. Let's begin. So first off, one of the things I was most excited for from this was the RLCS shoulder pads. Now these are meant for my MBAV. These are going to make a huge difference because I absolutely hate the little thin nylon straps that they give you with the MBAV. So these act as a lot of that padding. As you can tell, they're pretty destroyed, but they're part of the RLCS system, so you know how that is. Alright, so moving on. We'll stick on the RLCS topic as while we're there. We have got a pretty cool gem, honestly, if you ask me. Now this is the RLCS holster. This is what was issued with the sets. This one came from 2004. It's actually issued to the same guy in the same lot. The rest of everything else on my MBAV and my Rhodesian Recon vest. So this is an absolute gem once again. I don't think I've ever seen one of these used in a single reference photo or anything like that. But I'll give you guys a little close up on it so you guys can see it for yourself. You'll see it a lot more in other videos, and I might do a whole separate video talking about it if I'm really that lazy and need content. Let's continue on. Alright, so right here we have a tactical assault gear saw pouch. Nothing insane to say about this guy. He just opens up like that, closes. Now this right here is meant for my Ranger kit. It's in khaki, isn't that weird? Now this is going to be based off one specific reference photo I have of a machine gunner. So we're gonna kind of throw that together. I'll do a video on it. We'll talk about it a little bit. So stay tuned for that. All right. While we're still on this topic, we've got a pretty cool admin pouch. Now this one is not in the RLCS system. However, it is still in Ranger Green. It is made in US. I want to say it's the Blue Diamond tactical one. It's honestly it's an amazing piece for an admin pouch. I'm probably not going to throw this on my MBAV because it's technically not kosher. I'll probably be putting this on my Rhodesian Recon vest just to use as a LARP thing because this is a great admin pouch. I really can't pass up on it. Moving on. All right. I promise you guys this is the last Ranger Green thing you're going to see with this video. This right here is made from, I believe, let's see. I bought it, so I should know who it was made by. There it is. This one is made by LBT. Now, London Bridge Trading Company. Pretty cool. All right. So this is in that Ranger Green pattern. It has the amazing elastic straps compared to the terrible RLCS button snaps. So this is going to be sweet to throw on the MBAV. I think it has been seen in a few newer reference photos. In newer, I mean like 2010 to 2014, just not our UCP photos. I can't see it on this one, obviously, right now, but it has them behind it. They're just terrible to pull these magazines up. So awesome find, an amazing piece to add to my RLCS collection. One last army thing for you guys. I promise. Maybe two. I'm sorry, I lied. Two. Alright, so the next piece that I wanted to show off, and this is nothing to flex, is my UCP combat top I just got. Oh man, isn't that amazing? Ignore that. That's next item. Alright, so isn't that just awesome? Honestly, I didn't have one of these, which is really sad that I had to pay for one because they're very cheap and nothing insane. But it's that UCP combat top, so you'll probably see it on a few videos, especially my Ranger stuff. Next up, you already saw it attached to that, if you have good eyes. This is the Tactical Tailor radio pouch in Coyote. Now, I'm going to use this on my KSK stuff, my older gen KSK stuff, because they were issued originally a lot of Tactical Tailor stuff. Now, I'm pretty sure I have seen a few of these in reference photos, so that's what my plan is for it. And I've got one other secret for you guys. I'm working on a top secret video. Another Modern Warfare video, this one from Modern Warfare 3, and it utilizes this pouch. I can't spoil what it is yet, but stay tuned. It should be out by July, I'm hoping. Alright, so like I was saying, the Tactical Tailor radio pouch, it did not come with the mouse straps. That's totally fine. It's just the way I bought it. I knew that it didn't. But yeah, it'll be cool to throw on the Gen 3. Alright, while we're on the topic of KSK, and just German stuff in general, I've got German gardening gloves. Now, these are supposedly seen in reference photos. A lot of guys in the KSK and EGP and other special forces of Germany tend to buy these because they like how useful they are. They're very cheap, and you can go through them like crazy, but they still offer enough protection like a normal mechanics would. Now, honestly, I don't really have too much to say on that other than that, honestly. They look sweet. It looks really cool compared to Flectarn. It's a little bit easier to see on kit when I'm wearing it, but it's gonna be a really cool contrast. Now, the only photo I have of these ones being used right now is an older gen photo that you'll be seeing pop up on the screen. It has that white text instead of the black. But honestly, still, this is a pretty cool find. They came from Germany, of course. I got them from a guy in KVB. And, yeah, I'll show you guys the tags and everything a little bit close up. That way you guys can see them. We'll definitely do a video on these too once I have more photos that come out of them being used. Now, that about wraps it up. The guy in KVB did send me another pair of Coyote Mechanics for free. I originally just bought those gray ones. So, I'm not going to complain whatsoever. That's awesome. Another pair of Mechanics. I don't want to waste your guys' time talking about them. You guys know what mechanics are. Anyways, that pretty much wraps up today's unboxing. My fan mail, of course. If you guys have any advice on what to do for the next video, or if you have stuff to send me, go ahead. I'd love not to spend money. That jokes aside, I did spend money on all this. This is not a true fan mail unboxing. It's really just me showing you my most recent purchases. Anyways, like that I said, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.